Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be making a 3D flower with resin using the dirtypour method. So let's get started. The mold I'm using today is a 4-inch coaster. I've already mixed my medium viscosity resin and it has been sitting for a while, and I'm just waiting for it to reach the honey-like consistency. I'll be using 3 colors today: opaque red and white pigments and a gold mica powder. Once the resin reaches the honey-like consistency, I will take 3 disposable cups and pour about 5 to 10 grams of resin in each of the cups for the 3 colors, and the remaining I will pour it into the coaster. So when taking the total amount of resin, keep all these calculations in mind. You need to make sure that you have enough resin for your colors, and the clear resin that you put into the coaster should fill about half to 3/4 of the full coaster. So I've already taken aside the resin for the colors, and I'm pouring the remaining clear resin into the coaster. Meanwhile, I've also mixed the colors in each of the cup. I did this off camera. It's the same as I do for all my previous processes. So do keep one thing in mind. Once the resin reaches the honey-like consistency, everything happens one by one. You don't wait for anything else, because the resin will keep getting thicker from this point of time, and everything should happen quickly. So once all the mixing of the colors and everything is done, it's time to do your pour. So I've taken a disposable cup. It currently has no resin in it, and what I'm doing is pouring my colors into it one by one. So I've started with white, followed by a little bit of gold, and then my red. So you can see that the resin was actually starting to thicken up, and it was actually difficult to get it to pour. So keep all these points in mind. Once you reach the correct consistency, mixing of the colors, putting it into the coaster should happen quickly. Once I had enough resin in the cup, I made a pinch at a point of the cup and poured my petal pattern. So the idea is that you get 3 different colors in a single flow. I think the final outcome will depend on how much of each of the colors you have put into the cup, and hopefully they have not blended too much with each other in the cup itself. So I can see red and white as of now, and I'm hoping once the resin spreads towards the middle, I'll see a little bit more of the gold. I do hope you're enjoying the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot. If you'd like to buy me a cup of tea, the link is down below. All the help is truly appreciated. It's been 24 hours, so time to demold. So you can see the red and white clearly, and there's a shine of the gold mica powder. So mica powder is translucent, so you're not going to see it like the opaque pigments. Here we go. Oh, cool. So you can clearly see the red, white in the middle, and the red and white has blended, I think, near the borders, and the gold shine from the gold is literally all over. So it did spread towards the middle, but since mica powder is translucent, it will not show up like the opaque pigments. It's cool. If you'd like to buy any of my artwork, please do visit my Instagram channel for more details. I'm actually thinking of converting this into a mini puja thali for the upcoming Ganesh Chaturthi. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching. Do like, subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you soon in the next one.